Imagine this, it's 2026. You, re-riding your bike through the city or working on a construction site high above the ground. But this time, your helmet isn't just protecting your head. It's protecting your life in ways you never imagined. It's analyzing your surroundings, detecting risks, tracking your health, and even alerting emergency services if something goes wrong. Welcome to the future of protection. AI-powered safety helmets and smart gear that are redefining how we stay safe at work, on the road, and in sports. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful uses of artificial intelligence, AI-driven safety equipment. From construction workers to athletes, these next-generation helmets and wearables are making safety smarter, faster, and more personal than ever before. Just a few years ago, helmets were simple, foam, plastic, and a strap. They could protect you from an impact, but not prevent one. But in 2026, that's changed completely. Thanks to artificial intelligence, modern safety helmets can now predict danger before it happens. They're equipped with cameras, motion sensors, GPS, temperature monitors, and AI chips that process data in real time. These devices don't just react, they think. So how does it work? Imagine a construction helmet that constantly scans your environment using built-in cameras and sensors. The AI system analyzes data to detect falling objects, nearby machinery, or hazardous areas. If it senses danger, like an approaching crane or unstable structure, it immediately sends an audio or vibration alert to the worker. Some models even connect directly to smart glasses or air visors to display live warnings right in your field of view. In sports, AI helmets are revolutionizing player safety. Take football or cycling, for example. These helmets use impact sensors and real-time motion tracking to detect collisions or risky movements that could cause concussions. If a dangerous impact occurs, the AI instantly evaluates the force, checks the wearer's vital signs, and notifies coaches or emergency contacts. In some cases, it can even call for help automatically if the wearer is unconscious. That's not science fiction, it's real technology rolling out right now. Brands like SmartCap, Livel, and DAQ are leading this evolution in helmet design. The latest SmartCap models used in mining and industrial work can detect fatigue and drowsiness through ED sensors inside the helmet lining. If the worker starts to lose focus, the helmet issues a gentle alert or sends a report to the safety manager. It's like having a built-in co-pilot that watches your back 24/7 in the sports world. Companies like Livel and POC are taking AI helmets to the next level with collision detection, GPS tracking, and live communication systems. Cyclists wearing these helmets can share real-time data with teammates, detect traffic threats using rear cameras, and even auto-activate turn signals through AI gesture recognition. Some helmets are now equipped with voice control and built-in SOS functions that send your location to emergency responders the moment an accident occurs. But it's not just about external protection, it's also about health monitoring. AI-powered helmets and safety gear can track heart rate, body temperature, and even brain activity. For athletes, that means preventing overexertion or dehydration during intense performance. For construction or industrial workers, it means spotting early signs of fatigue or heat stress before it becomes dangerous. One of the most impressive advancements of 2026 is the integration of augmented reality (AR) in safety helmets. These AR displays overlay digital information on the real world, such as construction blueprints, navigation routes, or hazard alerts, allowing workers to stay informed without taking their eyes off the job. Imagine a firefighter helmet that shows thermal vision through smoke, or a cyclist helmet that displays speed, direction, and upcoming traffic lights, all powered by AI. AI helmets are also transforming team communication and training. Many of these devices connect to a central safety system that collects data from all workers or players in real time. This helps supervisors identify risky behavior, track safety compliance, and provide instant feedback. During training sessions, AI can analyze movement patterns to correct posture or technique, reducing the risk of injuries before they happen. And let's talk about design. These helmets are not bulky or uncomfortable like older models. In 2026, they're made with lightweight carbon fiber, breathable padding, and flexible smart fabrics. Most feature modular designs, meaning they can integrate with other smart wearables like vests, gloves, or glasses. This ecosystem approach allows AI systems to monitor your entire body, not just your head. The benefits go beyond safety. In industrial settings, AI helmets improve efficiency. Workers receive task instructions via AR overlays, log safety inspections hands-free, and even communicate with AI assistants for quick guidance. That means less downtime, fewer accidents, and better performance. In sports, these helmets collect detailed analytics, tracking reaction time, coordination, and stamina, giving athletes data-driven insights to improve their game. Of course, with all this smart technology, privacy and data security are crucial. Companies in 2026 are using encrypted local storage and edge AI processing, meaning your data is analyzed on the device itself, not uploaded to the cloud. Your health data stays private, while still giving you all the benefits of smart safety. So, what are some of the standout models in 2026? The SmartCap Neo, used in heavy industries, comes with real-time fatigue detection and AI risk prediction. The Livel Evo Pro is a cyclist's dream, featuring rear cameras, collision sensors, and automatic SOS alerts. The Dacry Vision X helmet is a favorite in construction and firefighting, offering full AR integration and environmental mapping. And the POC Neural Helmet uses predictive AI to identify concussion risks and adjust helmet pressure for maximum protection. The message is clear: AI isn't just about convenience anymore, it's about saving lives. Whether you're on a work site, racing track, or hiking trail, these intelligent helmets and smart gear are becoming your personal safety guardians. So here's the question: how long before every helmet becomes smart? Because at this rate, the days of simple protection are over. In 2026, safety is no longer reactive. It's predictive. If you're excited about this next wave of smart technology, hit that like button right now. Comment below and tell me, would you trust an AI helmet to protect you? And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about future gadgets, AI innovations, and tech shaping the world of tomorrow. Because the future of safety isn't about what protects you after the accident, it's about what prevents it.